click on the Capcut app, then click on new project. So we are going to import the video when I was walking into the background. So this is it, 9 seconds. So I just click on add. This is the video. This is the video of me walking into the background, changing my style. Did you see that? So guys, this is what we are going to freeze now. So you click on, you bring it to the beginning, then click on overlay, add overlay, click on add overlay, and then click on that same video that you imported. So the video of 9 seconds, I'll click on it, and then I'll click on add. This is the video. So guys, remember, I always tell you, whenever you add overlay, do well to always resize it to be fit to screen. So this is it. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to remove the background of this overlay video, this one here. So what are we going to do? You swipe to your right hand side and search for remove BG. BG stands for background. So we are going to remove it. Click on it, and then click on auto remover. Just have to be patient. So okay, background removed. That was fast. So this is it. We have removed the background. Guys, I'm going to play this video now so that we will pick where we are going to freeze. So just follow me attentively. So guys, this particular place here, I'm going to freeze it. So what do? I'm going to swipe to my right hand side and search for freeze. Search for freeze. So click on freeze. So we have finally freeze this part here. Guys, follow me attentively. So now that we have freeze this part, this is the part to freeze. This is it. So I'm going to delete this first one here. I'm going to delete it. So you click on delete that first one. This part here is the freeze part, so we are not going to touch it. So we are going to delete this other part here. Do you understand? So we are going, okay, let me just delete it first. Delete this other part. Guys, did you see that? So this place now that is here is the freeze part. So you see this place, just drag it, like just bring it to the beginning. Guys, did you see that? That is it. So let me play it for you to see. So guys, did you see that? So that is it. So what we are going to do next is you search for the part that the two body align together, like the way it is now. The two body already aligned together, like they are the same now. So you click on split and you delete this other part. It's not needed. Delete. Guys, did you see that? Okay, let's check. Did you see that? So this is the first step. So the second step now is click on add overlay. Make sure this line is at the beginning. Click on add overlay and import that same video of 9 seconds, that same video we are working with, and then click on add. So we are still going to remove the background of this overlay video, but before then, let us resize the video. So we have done that. So search for remove BG and remove the background. So now that we have removed the background, we are going to search for the other part that we want to freeze. We already have one freeze, so let's search for this other part we want to freeze. Okay guys, I'm freezing this place. Yes, I'm freezing this place. So just leave the line like that, don't touch it, and then all you need to do is to search for freeze. Search for freeze. Immediately you get that part that you want to freeze, just leave the line there, this white line, leave it there, and then search for freeze. So click on freeze, and this is the freeze part here. This part here is the freeze part. So I'm going to delete the beginning. We don't need it. Delete it. Search for delete. Guys, I hope it's not confusing. It's very easy. Just follow the step. Then click on delete. This is the freeze part, so we are not going to touch it. So we are still going to delete these other parts here. So it will look like you are deleting the first one and the last one, then you are leaving the middle one. Do you understand? So now that we have deleted the first and the last, so let us move this other side to the beginning. All you need to do is just use your hand to take this white place to the beginning. That is all. Did you see that? Please don't drag it to the beginning. Just use your hand to bring this one to the beginning. That is all. So let us check what we have. Okay, so this place that you see me bending, right? Did you see me bending? So search for that place carefully. Search for it. The place, this is it. So this is where I want. I'm going to split, and then I'll delete the remaining parts. This part is not needed. We'll delete it. Guys, can you see this? I hope you are following. Please watch to the end so that you won't make any mistake when you are doing yours. So now that we have gotten 2 frames, I'm doing 4 freeze frame. So this is the second one. Let's go for the third one. So all you need to do is bring this line to the beginning of the video, and then click on add overlay. Import the same video that you've been importing. Then okay, first thing, resize. Just resize it, and then remove background. It's just the same process, but I want you to watch it to the end so that you master it very well. So let us search for the third phrase that I want to do. Let's search for it. This is the first style, second style, third style. So this is the third style I want. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to search for freeze. I'm going to search for freeze, and I'm going to freeze it. Okay, this is freeze. I've already freeze it. So like I told you before, you delete the first one, you don't need it, and then delete the last one. So this is it. So this particular one, you just tap on it, and then take this, just start moving it to the beginning. That is it. So let us check what we have, or we are still going to delete something. Okay, 1, another style 2, another style 3. So like I always tell you, make sure you get the part that everything aligned together. Do you understand? So guys, this is the part I'm looking for. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to split and then delete this part. I don't need it. Do you understand? So it's remaining one part. It's remaining one part. 1, 2, 3. So it's mainly the last style. So all I'm going to do now is I'll click on add overlay, then click on the same video that I've been importing, click on add, and then resize. I hope you understand. If you are still watching till this time, thank you very much. You are going to get it once, because you have, it's just like you are watching it for the fourth time. Do you understand? So the next thing, please always remember to remove the background. Remove background. Okay, we've removed the background now, and then let us search for the last style that we want. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last style. So just leave the line like that, and then search for freeze. This is freeze. Okay, remember I said you are going to delete the first one, delete, and then delete the last one, delete, and then click on this one, the middle one that you freeze, and just move it to the beginning like this. So let us review what we have. Okay, change your style, another style, another style, another style. So I want to align this last one with the freeze part, so I can delete. Okay, I'm trying to get it. Okay, perfect. So I'll click on split and then delete. All you need to do is just make sure you align the video, the one that is moving, with the one that is, make sure you always align the moving video with the freeze one, so that it will be looking the same. It will look the same before you continue your editing. I hope you understand. So let us review this. Let's see what we have. Okay, Okay, guys, did you see that? Did you see that? I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you understood everything I taught in this video. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something today. Like I always say, if you have any video idea that you want me to talk about, please write it on the comment section. I will surely do the video for you and I'll post it just for you. Don't forget to support me by subscribing, support me by sharing this video, like and drop a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.